What's up, you guys? I'm finally back with another video. I told you guys I was going to be more consistent, so I'm going to try to be more consistent. Today I'm going to be doing something that I've been meaning to do for a really long time, and I mentioned in my previous video. If you haven't seen that video, I'm going to put it in this corner, or I think it's this corner. I don't know what corner it is. But I'm finally going to be doing it. It just came in yesterday, which is, what, Friday? Today's Saturday. So we're going to be installing it right now. Yeah, I feel like it's going to change the look of the truck a lot. And I'm actually really excited because I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, actually. And I found it for a good price. So hopefully it fits up good and perfect and we have no issues. It's just smooth. But I need to get home to do that, so I'll catch up with you guys once I'm home. Spent like 30 minutes at O'Reilly's trying to get a battery for my key thing, or my keyless entry. Because, yeah, I haven't been able to unlock my truck with that for like
Don't say that.
a cool month. Oh yeah, you're right. Don't rob me. It's always locked. No, but I was gonna say, yeah, like I haven't been able to unlock it, so I came and we spent like 20 minutes and wasted 20 minutes of our lives here. Oh fuck. So yeah, now we're on our way home. Alright, so I got a big box in the mail the other day. I got a big box in the mail the other day. Put what you think it is in the comment section. If you guys haven't figured it out. I'm gonna have to go take this outside so we could take it out. And I opened it, but I haven't seen exactly how it looks. It's still fully in there. So let's get to working on this. I'm excited for this. It's been a really long time coming. And my boy just took off his pants. Right now we're gonna take off the hood. For no reason.
You just gave it away, buddy.
Bro, they know what it is. I'm gonna literally name the video getting a new hood. I don't know why I always think I have to keep it a secret, but I don't, cause like the title literally says it. Alright, well, we're gonna take off the hood.
You don't got water.
It's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. It was just on.
I know.
And then we gotta take out this little wire. Don't know what it is. I think it's a ground. And that's about it. So I'm gonna do a time lapse on it of us removing it. Alright, so now we're gonna unveil, I guess you could say in a way, the hood that I went with. And then I'm gonna explain why I went with that hood. Alright, so we're gonna take the hood out now. I don't wanna hurt myself on the staples because they kinda hurt. Yesterday I fucking got it. Should we just pull it out?
Yeah, grab it from the corner.
Alright, so I went with the cow hood. It's a 2-inch. It's nothing too crazy like the other ones. I went with this just because I kind of like a simple look. Kind of like a little bit better than stock is what I'm going for. Because the other ones, like the ZL1 insert, for one, I was thinking about going with that one. But I thought it was a little bit too aggressive for the truck. It's not a fast truck. Yes, it will, like, I don't know. My idea is in the future, I do want it to make a lot more power, like maybe like 600, 700 range with the turbo and stuff. But of course, it's not gonna happen anytime soon. But when I do it, I want it to be kind of like stock looking, where like it's kind of like a sleeper. And that was kind of my view with going with this hood, because the other ones were too aggressive. Like the ZL1 insert, it was way too aggressive for like my liking. The HD is clean, but I feel like it's too bulky. And I feel like I like the stock hood, but the cow kind of adds to it. It makes it a bit cleaner. So that's why I went with this hood and not any other hood. They were all nice. It's just this is my preference, and I think it's gonna look sleek and clean. That's really the only reason I went with this one. But we're gonna install this now. And then maybe go take some pictures. Even though it's not painted or nothing. I'm gonna take some pictures with it. So I ordered this from Summit Racing. And it actually looks like very high quality. It looks like literally stock on the inside. It even has like all the little clips to put in the heat shielding, and even that little bolt for that ground that I was talking about earlier. And it comes already with the little hitch thingy to lock itself in place. The only thing I might consider doing is cutting this all open, just so it looks a little bit more simple and it flows better, because I think it is functional. Oh yeah, it is functional. So all the heat goes through here and goes out that way. But as far as damage, there is no damage. It came perfect. All the corners look fine. I read that some people had issues with it coming damaged, obviously in shipping, but looks perfect. There's no dents or nothing. So now we're gonna put this bad boy on. Honestly, we're gonna take a break because we left the hood out in the sun like dumbasses and it got super hot. So we're gonna give it a few minutes. We put it in the shade. We're gonna give it a few minutes to cool down. Right now we're gonna do some shopping for Elias, because Elias is gonna start modding his truck and doing crazy stuff to his truck. So I'll update you guys once we're about to put it on. Alright, so I think we've left it long enough. It should be cool enough to it's warm, but it's bearable compared to what it was earlier. Alright, so we left it in the grass, don't judge. And now we're gonna throw it on. Where'd you put Chris? Should I run this hoodless, bro? No. Imagine never overheating issues. The truck's gonna run super cool. In my pocket. Oh. Never hot or anything. I'm just kidding. Some of you guys take it too serious in the comment section. You guys are gonna hose me and be like, I'm not gonna run it without a hood, alright? For those of you guys who are gonna go straight to the comment section and start attacking me for no reason. I know you guys. I see you guys. Y'all just hate. Alright, but anyways, we're gonna put on the hood right now. I'm gonna do a time lapse because, or I might just actually do, I don't know. I'm gonna do a time lapse of the hood being installed. We close the hood and we're running into the issue where this side sits pretty flush, like close to flush, like almost too close, and that side has a big gap. So what we're gonna do is loosen up the bolt and kind of try to shift it over a little bit and see if it gets a little bit closer. This is gonna be probably like a somewhat long process, but once we get it, it should be perfect. So that's what we're gonna do, and that's what you guys are gonna see, but I'm gonna do a time lapse of it. Plans change. We're gonna go to the junkyard actually right now, just because do you want them to know or no? Yeah, you can go show. Alright, well, people around here don't know how to fucking drive. That's the thing. Alright, I've been almost hit like multiple times on my way to work, and people just don't know how to drive. And Elias the other day was just minding his own business. He had the green light and some lady ran the red light. I mean, obviously it could have been worse, but it did chip this. He broke his grill on this side, and his lights broke, and his grill's pretty messed up, and the lady did take off. So
yeah, we're missing this piece. So what is this called?
Oh yeah, and what is this piece called? There's a piece that goes right here. Honestly, I don't know what it's called. I saw it on a like a manual, but I couldn't get the name of it. So if anybody knows what it's called, please let us know in the comment section, because a lot of you guys know way more than we do. But yeah, and sadly, like, the lady took off, and the insurance is kind of saying that they won't cover it, because it's a hit and run. You have no, like, hard evidence against somebody unless they go through the cameras that are in that section, but I don't think there's cameras in that section, because, my family, one of my family members did have an incident there, and there's no cameras there to show. So right now we're gonna go to the junkyard and try to look for a grill, possibly a new grill, and a few other small things that his friend end needs to be complete. So that's what we're gonna do right now. So we might add that. I don't know if they let cameras into the junkyard, but we're about to leave right now. Alright, so here the fitment's actually not too bad. Obviously I think the body shop's gonna adjust it a little bit more and get it closer, but for now I'm pretty happy with the fitment. It's pretty even on both sides. That's about how the stock hood was, but let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like how it looks? I like the side view. It looks really aggressive now. I feel like it sets off the front end a lot better than the stock hood did. And like I said, it's subtle. It's nothing too crazy, but it looks better. I think it looks just the right amount. And right now it's black, so keep that in mind. Once it's blue, it's gonna look way better, just because the blue that I have changes color. Like, it looks purple. I don't know if it picks up on camera, but it looks purple in some angles and it's blue in some angles. So I feel like it's gonna, just because this hood has a lot of angles, it's gonna show off a lot better. There is a few things right here. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's in the hood or if it's just like the clear, or not the clear, the like, I don't know, like the base coat that they put on it, or what they do to coat it. That might have to be sanded down. I don't know if it's gonna pick up through the paint, but I am gonna get this painted pretty soon, I'm hoping, along with the chrome grill. I don't know if I should color match this silver piece or if I should leave it silver. My thought process is I should get it color matched while it's there for the meantime, and if I don't like it, easily just sand it and paint it myself with spray paint. I've had that for like a year and a half and it doesn't chip at all. So that's my thought process. Let me know what you guys think, if I should paint it. And there is one more thing that I do. Oh wait, there's two more things that I have to add to the truck before I could take it to paint. One of them I already have it. That video is going to be coming out probably after this video. I don't want to give away what it is. And then I have another thing that I'm planning on doing. I'm still not 100% sure, but I am planning on doing it pretty soon. So I might order it this week, just like I have everything in at the same time, so I could take it to get painted and they could keep it for like a week or however long they need, so they could get it as close as possible, because I do want the truck to be pretty much perfectly color matched all around. So right now we're gonna leave to the junkyard, and we'll be back in a few. I don't know if they're gonna let us record in there, but we'll update you guys if we find anything there that is gonna help or that we need for the front end of his truck. So I'll see you guys once we're back. The really cool thing that I found about this hood is how like stock it is inside. Like, some hoods don't come with anything inside, or from what I saw, but this comes literally like exactly how stock would come. And it is functional. It has this vent, so all the heat goes through there and it comes out the back of the truck. Like I said, the back, there's these holes in there as vents. I don't know if you could see them. Probably can't see them. But they have these vents. And I think I'm gonna cut it out so it flows better, and I think it looks better looking out at it. And then I'm gonna maybe put the heat shield that the stock hood has. And I don't know, let me know if I should paint this, if it's worth painting, or if I should just leave it out, or leave it black, and do something down the line. But now we're gonna go to the junkyard. I guess they don't allow cameras inside the junkyard. I'll just catch up with you guys after we get out. Hi, what's up you guys? It's been a few hours since I last talked to you guys, but we came up on some crazy shit right now. We're gonna pull over real quick to fix some of the stuff because we kind of tossed it in there. But I'll show you guys what we got. And what I got, I was not expecting to pick it up today, but you know, coming to the junkyard, you can find anything. So I'll just show you guys after. Basically, this is what we got. We got this little, like, I don't know what it would be considered, but it goes on this section of the bumper right here. It broke over here, And then we got one of these corner pieces that I was asking what was the name of earlier. So we came up on that pretty cheap. We got him an emblem, and then we got some chrome valve covers. These are pretty slept on because they were just dirty, and we cleaned them up. They actually cleaned up pretty nice. And as you guys can see, your boy now got a 2-piece drive shaft. So what does that mean? I'm gonna slam the truck now. The only thing stopping me from lowering the truck was the 2-piece drive shaft, but now that I have the 1-piece drive shaft, so now that I have the 2-piece drive shaft, I just need the cross member, and I can slam the truck, basically. So that's gonna be coming for a future video. I have the shackles already, so I could lower the back a little bit. I might order the 3-inch drop springs in the front, or upper and lower control arms, just so I don't get that camber wear. But overall, today was a good day. What do you gotta say, bro? Stupid combos, huh? And we got him for cheap, bro. Honestly, if you guys are looking for a 2-piece drive shaft, don't look anywhere before you look at the junkyard. I got this for literally 50 bucks. So that is by far the biggest come up. I'm gonna go home right now and yeah, close out this video once I get home. Oh, as you guys saw, today we got new hood installed. Actually looks really good. And now we have a 2-piece drive shaft. So all I need is a cross member and to replace that carrying bearing, because that bearing is shot, it's done. But besides that, that's all I really need to change to it, and I could install it. I have the shackles already, so I could drop the ass 2 more inches, and then the front maybe 1 more inch before, or probably 1 more inch before I need to tub the front, at least on the 20s. And 24s I don't plan on getting for a while, so should be good like that. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys think of the hood. And that's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Oh, fuck.